guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope you're doing good. And for today's vlog is I'm going to share with you guys first time kong pumunta ng Italy. Nandito kami ngayon sa may Austria. Kakapasok lang namin and bumili silok ng vignette, yung tawag nila dito, yung parang ticket, kasi pag gumamit ka ng main road ng ibang country, so kailangan mong bumili, like dito sa Austria, so kailangan mong bumili ng ticket or yung sticker siya guys. Ano siya, 10 euro lang naman yung price niya, so pwede mo na siyang gamitin like for 10 days I think, allowed na gamitin yung sticker. So yung gagawin is bumili lang silok, tapos ididikit lang namin mamaya dito sa left side ng car, kasi meron silang checkpoint or i-check nila once na nag-travel ka along Austria. Passing Austria. Nasa gilid kami ng bundok guys. So malalaman mo talaga pag nasa Austria ka na, kasi ano na, ng zigzag, mabilis ka na mahilo. Zigzag yung daanan dito and ang daming auto. Tapos foggy pa. But yeah. Time check, it's 3 minutes and mag-11. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina guys na sticker, binayaran ni Luke, hindi pala yun yung ano, iba pala yun, yung vignette. Tapos nagbayad siya ulit, meron pa siyang mouth yung tawag nila dito, so around 11 euro yung binayaran niya. So yung binayaran niya is sa Austria na vignette, kasi dumaan lang kami doon. How much is it cost? Vignette 10 euro. Yeah, around 10 euro. Tapos yung Mount Strasse naman dito sa may Italy, mga 11 euro. So yun yung gagamitin namin. And on the way kami ngayon sa may Gardasee guys. beaches. Super init. 17 degrees, guys. And how many minutes, babe? Then we reach? How many minutes? Pinag-compute. 34 minutes. Darating na kami ng Gardasee, guys. Sobrang init. Kanina, umalis kami ng Germany around 7 ng umaga. So, madilim pa yung kanina, guys. So, travel mga around like 6 hours. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost 7 hours na travel.
6?
6? 7?
No.
12:50.
7. 7 to 13. 13 minus 7 sind 6.
So, mga 6 hours na travel, guys. From Germany, tapos Austria, and going here in Italy. Sobrang init. Pero sabi ni Luke, ngayong araw lang daw ito mainit, guys. Kasi the next few days, sa mga susunod na mga araw is uulan na siya. So, we'll see. And so far dito, puro bundok pa lang yung makikita mo, guys.
Oder ist das Windsurfen? Das ist Windsurfen.
Welcome to Gardasee. Das ist Gardasee.
Nee, das ist
Wow.
Baby, hast du die...
Hi guys! Okay, so 6 hours travel. Andito na kami ngayon sa hotel and magro-room tour lang ako sa inyo, guys. So, andito I have the key card. Labas muna ako. Insert mo yung card. Beep, and then open na siya. Ito, ayan, may mirror sila pagpasok. So, I don't know if it's cabinet. Yeah, it's cabinet, ayan. Meron silang cool refrigerator. Tapos, ganyan, safety lock. Tapos cabinet, tapos hanger. And, yeah, meron din sila sa taas. So, they have so many cabinet. And, dito naman, pwede mong insert yung card for the lights, na. So, mag-open, pero saka lang natin to gamitin. And you can hang also something. Tapos, meron din silang malaking vanity mirror. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Super laki. Yan. Tapos, merong telephone and dyan, connecting room ata to, guys. Pero yan, nakalock siya. Tapos, meron sobrang laki ng TV. TV is so big.
Yeah.
It's bigger than us. And then, meron silang table dito. Sobrang laki. It's also so big. And, continue. Meron silang sink. Nasa labas ng toilet. But, anyway, here's the sink. Tapos, meron silang paper cups for drinking. And, yeah. Funen. I forgot. Blower. And, meron ding mirror dito. Sobrang dami ng mirror, in fairness. Tapos, for washing, and you can put toothbrush, meron toilet, paper, ayan. Tapos, dito, sa harap, is yung toilet nila, guys. Toilet, tapos yan, also, hugasan ng paa, and inside, let me check this one. They put toilet, paper, towel, heating, and guess what? Yung shower nila is the same door. Ito yung sa toilet room, no? So, i-close mo to, guys. Tapos, pag nag-open ka, andito naman yung area ng shower nila. Hindi ko na i-open yung light. Andito yung shower nila, guys. Yan. Yan yung shower room. So, pag in-open mo yung toilet, mako-close yung shower room. which is first time ko lang din ito nakita. Welcome to Italy. Lahat first time. And that is the bed. Dalawang single bed, no? Kinumbine. Usually ganito dito sa Europe. And that is the frame of the Gardasee. And the view. Yan, open mo dito guys. Sliding door. And that is the view. Is it olive trees? Huh? Which club is this olive tree?
Yeah, all this olive.
Yeah. Tapos meron din sila dito just in case na gusto mo mag-terrace, no? At night. You can sit. Actually, meron silang pool. Ayun. Pero, wala kaming swimsuit ni Luke. Nandito kami sa third floor. Lumabas kami ni Luke. What time na ba? It's 3:20. It's 3:20, babe. 3:20 ng hapon, guys. Grabe yung hangin dito sa pumunta kami sa may tubig malapit. Sea is like a lake, no? Yung tawag dito is Gardasee. Tapos lake siya, guys. Sea in sa Deutsch. Pero ipakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang lamig. Maganda dito kasi naka-separate yung Farad Lane nila dito sa kabila, guys. Ayan yung Farad Lane. Tapos dito yung area, siya, walking area. What's this? Fish?
Ein kleiner Strand. Guck mal da. Nee, das ist eine Taube.
There's the kids. So cold.
Wirklich kalt. Siehst du das?
Summer. Andun yung city nila, guys. Punta tayo dun.
Ja.
Or is that? Dinner kami ni Luke. Maganda kasi yung hotel namin. Alam siya, guys, mga 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes na walking distance papunta dito sa may shopping center. So, dito kami ni Luke ngayon sa may...
Was ist das?
Mango. Meron silang binigay na Dito kami sa Indian restaurant, guys. Ayan, sauce.
Uy.
Sulit na lang kakain ng starter kasi hindi ko masyadong bet. Ano to siya, guys? Spicy. Para talaga siyang sili. Ito mint na may yogurt. Tapos ito parang sweet sauce. Pero hindi ko bet yung ano, yung tinapay. Parang salty. Sarap yan eh. Yung parang pita bread, tapos may garlic na topping sa taas. Dito na yung food namin guys. Yan, samosas na order si Luke. Samosas, tapos chicken masala. Chicken masala. Masarap yun guys. Chicken, tapos merong sauce. Tapos ito basmati rice. Sarap ng ano. Sarap ng food. Creamy. Tapos, and then the spicy is good, no? Sarap siya, guys. Chicken curry na masala.
Masarap.
Masarap. Sabi ni Luke.
Masala, masarap.
Masarap lang. I like the spices.
It's really good. It's not too much.
Back to hotel na kami guys. Busog. So what can you say about your dinner, babe? Yeah, he liked it also. Nagustuhan din niya kasi ang sarap ng chicken masala guys. Sobrang sarap ng lasa. And familiar, hindi naman kasi kami, I mean, palagi naman kasi kami kumakain ng Indian na menu. So, hindi na bago sa amin. But, this time lang yung taste ng chicken masala is, ano talaga siya, creamy. Parang aram mo yun na, hindi minadali yung paggawa. Masarap yung sauce niya. Tapos, yeah, busog si Lo kasi nag-order pa siya ng mga ano yung tawag? What did you order, babe? Like side dish, no? Dalawang order. Yung hindi nila nakain doon is yung samosas na may beans sa loob. Siguro feeling ko frozen, tapos niluto. So, hindi nagustuhan ni Lo kasi pangit to ng lasa. Yun lang. Tapos yung the rest, ubos, guys. Kaya busog. So, that's it for the day, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And see you in my next vlog.